Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is a step-by-step tutorial to create an elegant and charming rosebud keychain that is a unique gift or add a personal touch to your keyring. So please watch the video from start to end so you can learn it in better way. Okay, let's start. I am using 2.5mm crochet hook and 3-ply crocheting yarn. Firstly, we will make a magic ring, then make one chain. After this, we will make 2 more chains. Now we will make 10 half double crochet into this magic ring. We will not count the first 2 chains, the first half double crochet. We will make 10 half double crochet after making 2 chains. And this is our second half double crochet, this one third half double crochet, fourth one, this is fifth half double crochet, this is sixth one, seventh half double crochet, eighth, this is ninth half double crochet, and this is our last 10th half double crochet into this magic ring. After this, tighten the middle thread. Now we will attach last stitch to the first chain with slip stitch. Here our first round has been completed. At the start of second round, firstly make 2 chains. We will count these 2 chains as a first half double crochet of second round. Now we will make one more half double crochet at the same stitch. Here we have 2 half double crochet at the same stitch. Now we will make 2 half double crochet at second stitch, 2 half double crochet at third stitch. We will make 2 half double crochet at all stitches throughout the round 2. At the end of this round, we should have 20 half double crochet stitches. So here at the end of this round, attach last stitch to the first chain with slip stitch. Here our second round has completed. And here at start of third round, we will make 2 chains. We will count these 2 chains at the end of this round. Now we will make 1 half double crochet at this same stitch. Then make 2 half double crochet at next stitch. This is our increase stitch. Now we will make 1 half double crochet at third stitch and 2 half double crochet at fourth stitch. Then we will make 1 half double crochet at fifth stitch and 2 half double crochet at sixth stitch. With this pattern we will complete round 3. At the end of round 3, here we will count first 2 chains, the first end of last increase stitch, and then we will make 1 half double crochet at this same stitch. This is our last increase stitch. After this we will attach last stitch to the first chain with slip stitch. At the start of round 4th, firstly make 2 chains. We will count these 2 chains at the second strand of last increase stitch at the end of this round. Now we will make 1 half double crochet at this same stitch and 1 half double crochet at second stitch. After making 2 half double crochet at 2 stitches, now we will make 1 increase stitch, 2 half double crochet at third stitch. This is our increase stitch. Now we will make 2 half double crochet at next 2 stitches and 1 increase stitch at third stitch. With this pattern, we will complete round 4, 2 half double crochet at 2 stitches and 1 increased at 3rd stitch. Here at the end of round 4th, we will make last half double crochet at the same stitch of 2 chains, and we will count these 2 chains at the second strand of this last increased stitch. After this, we will attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. At the start of round 5, firstly make 2 chains. Now make 1 half double crochet at the same stitch. Then make 1 half double crochet at 2nd stitch and 1 half double crochet at 3rd stitch. After making 3 half double crochet, then we will make 1 increased at 4th stitch. 2 half double crochet at same stitch. This is our increased stitch. Then we will again make 3 half double crochet at next 3 stitches and 1 increased at 4th stitch. With this pattern, we will complete our round 5. At the end of round 5, we will make last half double crochet at the same stitch of 2 chains, and we will count these 2 chains as a second strand of last increased stitch. After this, we will attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. At the start of round 6, firstly make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as the second strand of last increased stitch. Now we will make 4 half double crochet at 4 stitches and 1 increased at 5th stitch. This is our increased stitch. We have made this increased stitch after making 4 half double crochet at 4 stitches. With this pattern, we will complete our round 6, and at the end attach with slip stitch. After completing 6 rounds, now cut off extra yarn and secure it. Here we have nice round pattern for bird. For border of bird, I will use dark pink color. At the start of round 7, firstly make a knot, then make 1 chain. After making 1 chain, now attach at next stitch with slip stitch. This is our slip stitch. Now make 1 chain and attach at next stitch with slip stitch. Again repeat this pattern, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch at next stitch. We will repeat this pattern, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch throughout the round 7. Here at the end of round 7, attach with slip stitch and cut off extra yarn and secure it. A nice round pattern for our flower bird has ready. Now we will start to making its sepals part. For sepals part, firstly we will make a magic ring, then make one chain, then we will make two chains. We will not count these two chains as a first half double crochet. We will count 12 half double crochet into this magic ring after these two chains. After making 12 half double crochet into the magic ring, now tighten the middle thread and attach with slip stitch. After completing round part, now we will make 6 chains for sepal. After making 6 chain, now skip first chain and attach at second chain with slip stitch. Now make one single crochet at third stitch and one half double crochet at fourth stitch. Now we will make 2 double crochet at next fifth and sixth stitch. Now skip 2 stitches and attach at third stitch with slip stitch. Our first sepal has ready. With this pattern, we will complete our 4 sepals. At the end of 4th sepal, attach with slip stitch at the base stitch of first sepal. After completing sepals part, it's look like this. Now we will wrap our round part of bird and tie at the middle with the help of thread. Now fold one side over the other side. It's turned into a bird shape. Now we will attach the sepals part at the base part of this bird. Before attaching sepals at the base part of bird, firstly attach the chain of keyring at the middle hole of these sepals. Now attach with the help of glue. Our crocheted rosebud keychain has been ready. Hope you like it. Viewers, if you like my project, then please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. And also give your feedback in comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.